Hey everybody, I'm back, and today we are unboxing the Rocketbook. Hey everybody, welcome back to Writer Gadgets and Workflow. I know you guys are out there saying, Carla, why do you keep showing us these $1 million tools out here, these $1 million gadgets, right? Could you please show something a little more economical that anybody can purchase and use in their workflow, in their writing workflow? And honestly, I'm a big fan of the gadget. Okay, I have got quite a few, but I have been eyeballing a few lower cost options that I will be reviewing and unboxing over the next couple of videos. Okay, and so this is the first one. This is Rocketbook. I've seen some reviews on this, but I have no experience with this tool whatsoever. But I do know that it has some features that I think would be very useful for the writing workflow. But you guys and I will be opening and finding out all about the functions together because I have no experience with this whatsoever, as opposed to the other stuff that I kind of roughly kind of know how to use it when it comes out of the box. This, I have no clue. What I do know is this. One, it's very economical. It's only $29. I only paid $29 for this. And I think this is actually the 8.5 by 11 version. They have some smaller versions. But it is a notebook. It is reusable. You can write on it, send your notes to a cloud, where they'll be digitized, and then you can erase, just wipe it off and reuse it again. So it's a reusable notebook. Will you be writing an entire book on this? I don't know about that, but if you have to maintain lists, daily to-do lists, checklists, things like that, I think this may end up being a great tool for things like that. But we're going to find out today when we look inside of the Rocketbook. So stay tuned, and we're going to unbox it today. And then in the next video, I will do the cons, pros, and demos. But today we're just going to open it up and see what's in the package. So stick with me, and we'll be right back with the unboxing. Okay, now it's time to unbox the Rocketbook. I'm really excited about this. I am all about a new toy or gadget. So this is how it comes packaged. It comes in this, kind of plastic container. It's Ziplocked. It says Rocketbook, the endlessly reusable intelligent notebook. Fusion all-in-one planner, calendar, and notebook. Send handwritten notes to your favorite cloud services. Wipe the pages with water and reuse. That sounds awesome. So you have to download an app. It says download the app to start your journey. Start GetRocketbook.com. So I will do that for the cons, pros, and demos. Erase with moisture. It's endlessly reusable, can be used with any pen in the Pilot Frixion line. The pages look and feel like normal paper, but are actually composed of a synthetic polyester blend. Within 10 to 15 seconds, your writing dries, firmly bonded to the page. To erase, wipe with a moist towel. Interesting. Cloud connected, and it's has all the cloud services, so Google Drive, Dropbox, OneNote, iCloud. Whoop, whoop. This is great. It integrates with iCloud. Not everything does. OneDrive for UPC users. That's kind of awesome. Instantly organized. And then 7 symbols using the app. Oh, so it's got 7 symbols, I think, for the different cloud technologies. All right. So let's get into this. So I bought the dark blue letter size. Let's see what this is all about. I bought the dark blue letter size. Let's see what this is all about. All right. So there's a tear up here. Oh, it says tear here. So there's a tear. Look, there's a tear up here, and that's where I would have gone. But it says tear here. I guess maybe this is for the pen, to get the pen out. So let's open this up. And so for $29, you get the pen. Oh, that's lovely. So for $29, you get the pen. So that's the pen. Okay. So just rip that out. Okay. Now let's open up the notebook. See what we got. Well, that's cute. So what I did was I didn't tear it down far enough. So let's see if I can do it this time. Okay. All right. That's going to do it. All right. So this is the Rocketbook Fusion. Nothing on the back. It's a spiral notebook. So I can anticipate, now they do have smaller sizes, so I can anticipate you being able to, take it and drop it in. Drop it into your bag or something like that. So that's kind of awesome. All right, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so I think these are all the cloud services. Oh, so this is the planner. So it comes with the planner. So you can kind of plan what you do. Now, honestly, this is kind of nice. This paper, it does not feel like regular paper, okay? It feels like regular paper if regular paper was plastic. So not quite like regular. Although it is very thin. But you can hear that, right? You can hear that is not like a regular sheet of paper. But they do come with all of these the codes, QR codes. So I am guessing you, to get the page onto the code, onto your app, that you would just scan the QR code, which would make it easy. So I'm kind of liking this. This is great, has ideas. This is just for notes. I'm not sure if there's anything else in here. So these are just dotted pages for notes. And then these are lined pages. And that is it. So they have objectives for the planner. Okay. So really, this is more like a planner. This is more for like if you wanted to, track your to-do lists. This is more for if you wanted to capture ideas. This is more for like if you're scheduling meetings and you're balancing a bunch of meetings across the week. I actually anticipate using this for my new job. I'm switching jobs, so I am looking forward to using this for my new job. Okay, that's great. All right, so let's see. And then again, I'm gonna have to show you a demo in terms of how this scans in the next one, but let's see how it writes. So my task today, I'm just gonna have project Ooh. Task. Do. This, let me tell you something. This is nice writing experience. It's so smooth. There's no scritch. But it is very smooth. It's a very nice writing experience. Okay. Name, characters. Okay. So that's a very nice writing experience. So they also provide you with a microfiber cloth. So open that up. And so this is what you use. You can dampen a part of this and use it to erase. Okay, I have dampened the cloth a little bit to see how this works. So I have some writing here. So let's see how it wipes off. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty simple. Look, there's a little fuzz, but I'm sure that's just because this is a brand new microfiber cloth. So I used the wet part to wipe it, and then I'll just use the dry part to dry it off. And that is that. So that's wonderful. So that is going to be it for the Rocketbook unboxing today. It's interesting. Seems like an interesting little tool that, again, I think this is going to be a complement to the other writing gadgets that we've talked about on the channel, to a digital notebook, or even really to maybe your iPad or even to your laptop. So maybe you have this along with your laptop to help you with your writing workflow. So I'm really excited to do a demo of this in the next video. If you like the content, guys, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions whatsoever. You know I will answer. Okay? So stay tuned for the next edition where we're going to look more deeply into the Rocket Notebook and its use cases and how it can help you in your writing workflow. We'll see you next time.